Good morning, gang. Today, I want to make a 2 years review of my Hangkai inflatable board. 10.8 feet, 3.3 meters. This one I've been using for 2 years, mainly in salt water. Let me tell you some of the issue of the board and some of my upgrade. Okay, transom. This is very common. Then 60 mm. I increased the height of the outboard 60 mm from the original base 60 mm. For my Hangkai 18, 60 mm from the base, I think 60 mm until here. Okay, and I put I don't know how big is the cooler. This one act as a cooler and my seat. I sit here. So this one will save my space, best use of my small board. Act as a cooler and a seat. Okay, this board has been in the water. This one is 2 years old inflatable board and has been in the water for more than 2,000 kilometers. 2,000 kilometers. I zero it the first time when I'm using my Hangkai 12, about 200 over kilometers. So this one is Hangkai 18. This means the boat is over 2,000 kilometers, more than 2,000 kilometers. Then travel in the water, and the Hangkai 18 with me. This is 1.5 year old. Hangkai 18 is traveling 1,883 kilometers. This is subjected. I did on the GPS when I using the Hangkai. So if I off it, the Hangkai is still on. Maybe the Hangkai is I think travel more than maybe more than the 1,880 kilometers. And this one after yesterday use, this is 185 hours use. Cheap Hangkai. Problem still rusty. No, I mean, see, you can scratch it. Even I spray paint it. The part I spray paint it with primer first, and the core and the pen, it will last. But without the spray paint part, the primer part, this one will become like this. But it's okay. The engine, it works perfect. You know, every way is a rust. You will have to scrape off every pen where there is no primer inside, and primer it, and spray paint. But this is too troublesome. Aha, see this one. Aha, see, no, there is no primer inside. See, it's powdery. But if you clean it and primer it and spray paint it, then the problem will solve. No, this is a Hangkai, but I'm not worried about the appearance, you know. Okay, let's talk about the inflatable board. This board, as I said, 2 years. In Malaysia, Sarawak weather, where usually over 30 degrees Celsius. when the board is new, now it's still okay. The glue, the factory glue is still holding, but the add-on glue, you know, like this one, this part, all the parts that I'm using the aftermarket aftermarket glue to glue on the handle or glue on any attachment. Sooner or later, when the weather, the sun is the weather is hot, the glue will melt, you know, will soften and melt. The glue is just like I'll show you. Where is the glue? I don't know. It's just like toothpaste type, white color. They claim to be mainly made for the inflatable board, but not good. The glue will melt. See the attachment, because especially the black part of the inflatable board, because the black part absorb a lot of heat. Then after absorb a lot of heat, then the glue will peel slowly. It's softened. It peel. Like some parts, this one is crucial. You know, this one is like I patch a hole. Is a small hole inside. It's leaking air. So I patch it one year ago. So when the weather is hot, the bubble is slowly leaking somewhere out. The red portion, the red part, is still holding with the toothpaste type of inflatable board glue. This is maybe under the water. It's good because it's cool. It's cold out there, so it won't melt. Not yet. Okay, this is a problem. The glue is a problem. So I did order another type of glue which you can pre-mix. You can mix when you need it with glue and the hardener. It's not here yet. I will make a review for that. See whether it will melt again. What else I do? Usually I only do once a week to the sea fishing trip, touring. But yesterday the sea is not calm, so it's very hard to tow. So I did not do a lot of fishing. Okay, this one is another hole. This one is contributed by barracuda, big barracuda. It's crashing to my boat when it's got on hook. Okay, what else? Okay. Now the boat is stationary, no moving. So this is 1,883 kilometers plus another 200 where I zero it before. So this boat is over 2,000 kilometer travel. Quite a lot, eh? 1.5 year old Hangkai. Inside internal, no problem. I never clean the carburetor yet, but I plan soon. Maybe after maybe 200 hours later, I will change impeller and maybe clean the carburetor, because it's no problem yet. Okay, 2% in this board. 2% in this board with all the gears, all the heavy duty gears. I'm using best to use a smaller pitch propeller. This is the original 9 pitch. 9 pitch, they did not give you very high top speed. It give you like 5,500 or 5,580 rev per minute RPM. 5,580 or 5,500. This one will give you maybe 30 to 31 kilometer per hour. If the 11 pitch one, it give you 32 with 2%, 32 kilometer per hour, but the whole shot the whole shot when the boat is like stationary. When you drive, it take a long time for it to plan, you know. So take a long time. So the whole shot is not there. The speed is there. The whole shot is not there. So the 9 pitch is going up, and it can plan easier than the 11 pitch. So I change to 9 pitch one whenever there's 2% in the boat, or maybe super heavy weight in the boat. I think 2% in the boat, I will change to 9. Maybe I will try to buy another 10, see whether it's better. But the 11 pitch one, definitely, for my purpose, I'm doing fishing and a lot of trolling. Then I need certain, like, I need some whole shot, not whole shot. I just maybe maintain 10 to 12 kilometers per hour. I feel that this one is better. This one is better, lighter to drive. So this is Hangkai 11. This is 9 for heavier boat or heavier load. This one is for me to travel alone. This one 35, 36 kilometers per hour if I'm alone with this boat. This one 2%, 30, 31 kilometers per hour for 2% in this boat. Yes, 182 hours after yesterday. Not a lot of fishing yesterday. What else? Nothing. So this is, I think that's all. Any question? Comment below, I will answer.